do we have here? So here we have the VETO Tech Pack MC Blackout Edition, Pack Out Edition as well. Meaning you can change the components inside of it, which is why I chose it, because I get to choose now what I want. Except for VETO choosing for me, I get to choose. Yeah, you do have a minimal options. There's only about like 4 or 5 of these, I guess. But I wanted these two. I wanted the laptop edition with the 2 pockets in the bottom, pens and stuff like that, with these larger pockets, with these larger tool pockets for tools. In here, pretty much it comes empty, except for this. This is the warranty thing that comes in there with your free sticker. It's pretty nice. So I'm gonna see, has a pocket up front. Pretty nice. A little pocket. Again, I don't really find very need for these pockets, but you can always find something to shove in there. Here goes your straps with that nice soft backing when you're wearing it. What I also like about these is these Velcro. They kind of hold your straps in place, and if you need to extend it, you can extend it, and then for however much you need, you could just tape it back up. You don't need it anymore. Here is the latch that comes off. That's pretty nice. It pretty clips on there. Pretty nice. Clips off. Pretty nice. It just lays there. That's nice. And again, back here. Don't try these at home. A nice pocket. I guess they made this pocket with this little extension so you can put bigger stuff in here. Pretty deep pocket. So yeah, my plan is to have my laptop here, so let's see. Pretty much I'm gonna shove it in there. And VETO's Velcro is very good, so I'm trying not to get it stuck as I go in. And there you go. Oh, it has this little lip up here. And this Velcro's down, holding that in place, which is pretty nice. There's bubbles over here. Gotta shove it all the way down. what I like about this is that you can actually decide if you want to have this in here or not. The only sad part is you can't just buy the bag by itself. You have to buy 2 of these. Fits in there pretty good. Pretty nice. So again, this is the pack out edition. The ones that you can remove these inserts and change pretty much what you want inside. Looks pretty new. Looks pretty nice. I like it. I'm gonna test this out. I'm gonna probably be doing a review on how my tools fit in here on a different video. This is just pretty much an unboxing video to show you how they fit in there, how that is, and give you an idea. Then I'll probably do a video of how all my tools fit in here, which seems pretty nice.